A foundation double crochet, or a foundation single crochet if you're using American terms, is a great way to start off a crochet project that's worked in rows without having to work into a fiddly chain to start with. It's also really useful if you get to the end of a row, realise you don't quite have enough stitches and want to add a few more at the end. So I'll show you how to do one now. First things first, start off with a slip knot on your crochet hook as if you were going to start any usual chain stitch. Chain 2, so yarn round, pull through 1, yarn round, pull through 2. Now, instead of working more chains, what you're going to do is insert your hook into the first chain like so, yarn round, pull up 1, yarn round, pull up 1 again, just close that hole a bit, yarn round and finish your first double crochet. Now that first extra chain we did is where you're going to position your hook, so I'll just bring it closer to the camera. So this loop here, from front to back, hook through like so, yarn round, pull up 1. Now normally here you'd finish your double crochet, but on a foundation stitch you yarn round and pull through 1 again, in effect doing a chain at the bottom, then yarn round and finish your double crochet or single crochet. And again, so here, this loop here at the bottom, can you see the bottom of the chain is starting to form nicely? Hook through, yarn round, pull up 1, yarn round, pull up 1 again, yarn round, pull up 2. And here you go. Same again, hook through, 1, 2, 3. So in 3 easy steps, you can see here I'm making a neat chain. I'll just do a few more to show you. Go a little bit faster so you can see just how quick this works. 1, 2, 3, and 3 easy steps. So you can see it's a little bit gappy there at the bottom, but really preferable to working into a fiddly chain. And there you go.